All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create custom conversions so that you can use those custom conversions whenever you're running a campaign in Facebook and you decide to use campaign budget optimization. So whenever you decide to use campaign budget optimization, I've already explained to you how that works and what it does, but you're going to want to create some custom conversions so that you can start your campaign by one of your ad sets getting traffic. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is we're just going to literally come in here and we're going to come over to our events manager. Once we get inside our events manager, we're going to come over here to create, and we're going to create a custom conversion. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the page that it's this page right here. You can see on this page right here, I already have a pixel installed here. So you can see I already have a pixel installed, and all it's doing is showing a page view. So I'm going to come back over here to my conversion, and I'm going to call this crazy offer page view, because that's the conversion I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get traffic to this page, so I'm going to create a conversion for just a page view coming to this page, and then I'll be able to optimize inside my conversion campaign. You know, I'll come back over here to this conversion campaign and I'll be able to optimize one ad set just for traffic, for getting page views, which I normally wouldn't be able to do. So I'll be able to optimize one ad set to get my page views, one ad set to get my leads, one ad set to get my purchases. So I'm going to just come back over here and I'm going to give this a name. So I'm calling it Crazy Offer Page View. I didn't give any description if you want. That's optimal. Pick your data source. I'm going to use my pixel because that's what I need. Just remember, you need to make sure that you actually have your pixel installed. And you can see over here, I do have my pixel installed. You can see my URL right here, and it does have my pixel here. So then you can pick any of these that you want, but I just use all URL traffic is what I use. And then we're going to come down here and we're just going to put in here the custom conversion must meet all of these rules. So you can put referring domain, so you can literally make crazy conversions. We're just going to do a page view is all we're going to do, and then I'm just going to come in and put in the page there. So there's the page that I want. There's a page that I want right there, and then I'm just going to hit create. Now I've created a custom conversion called Crazy Offer Page View. So now I've created that custom conversion. Now that custom conversion exists, and if I come back over here to my page and I refresh my page, now that I actually refresh my page, if I come over here, you can see now whenever I'm looking here, you can see not only do I have a page view that's happened through the pixel, you can also see that I have this crazy offer page view that's happened here. And you can see this is a custom conversion that's now happened. So now whenever somebody just lands on this page, all they have to do now is land on this page, and once they land on this page, then they will trigger this custom conversion. Now whenever I go in and actually set up my ad campaign, which we're going to be doing in the next few videos, once I go in and actually set up my ad campaign, I will be able to pick one of the conversions for my ad set. I'll be able to optimize for this crazy offer page view, which means I will literally be optimizing for traffic. I'll just be optimizing for traffic. Every time somebody clicks on the link and comes over, it's going to fire that custom conversion, which basically means in my budget optimized campaign, I'm going to have one ad set that is literally just optimized for traffic, just as if I would have ran a campaign like this. But if I run a campaign like this, then I can't optimize for other conversions inside a traffic campaign. So inside a traffic campaign, I won't be able to have ad sets that optimize for leads or have ad sets that optimize for purchases. I'll only be able to optimize for traffic. So since I want to have one campaign, and I want that campaign to be budget optimized through Facebook, I want Facebook to optimize how it spends my ad budget for that campaign. But I have multiple objectives that I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get some cold traffic to go out to my landing page. Then I'm trying to get I'm trying to retarget that cold traffic and convert them to leads, and then I'm trying to retarget those leads and convert them into purchases. All of those are conversions, so I'm going to use this conversion campaign, but inside the conversion campaign, I cannot optimize for traffic. And since I can't optimize for traffic, what I'm going to do is what I just showed you. I'm just going to go in and actually, come over here. Again, I just come over here to my events manager. Once I come over to my events manager, I'm just going to come over here to the top right up here, and I am going to create a custom conversion just like I did. I'm going to name my custom conversion. I'm just going to pick my data source, whatever pixel that you're using. Then I'm going to leave it here at all URL traffic. You can change it if you want, but I like to leave it on all URL traffic because that's the closest to what it is. And then I'm just going to put in the URL that is actually going to create the page view, and then I'm going to hit create. And then once I hit create, as you see, I now have a custom conversion called Crazy Offer Page View. And now that I have that custom conversion, I will be able to use that inside my conversion campaign that is campaign budget optimized, all right? So you'll get to see how I use that in the next few videos once we actually go in and start creating the campaign.